For PC cluster, we have either multiple LAN network computer or used for multiple PC video output or used for multiple computer collaboration. This one will be used only when the computing power is insufficient on a single machine, but this one is basically the older approach. The modern one is only multiple LAN network computers and also for multiple PC video output. For multi-user distributed remote system architecture, we can have a model like the first one, multiple modem network computer, or we can have as a multiple LAN network computer. LAN here means that local area network. Okay, the LAN or local area network is a group of computers and the devices that share a common communication line or wireless link to a server within a district geographic area. Okay, this is about LAN. And also we can have as a multiple one network computer. So one here is that wide area network. And the wide area network is the telecommunication network that extend over a large geographical area for the primary purpose of computer networking. Here are the example of the setup if there are two users would like to share the virtual environments. This is the first multi-user environment to be introduced, and this can be considered as the most simple one. Okay, the most simple setup if there will be more than one user would like to share the virtual environments. And it will communicate over a local area network. It will communicate over a LAN, local area network, using the TCP/IP protocol. Okay, what is TCP/IP? TCP/IP is the Transmissions Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. Okay, Transmissions Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. And this TCP/IP is a suite of communication protocol used to interconnect network devices on the internet. And here in this figure is the setup of the two user would like to share the virtual environment. There are one device on each user. Okay, this is the user 1 and then user 2. And user 1 have its own display. User 2 also have its own display. And both of the user also have their haptic display of their own as well. And how they will communicate or share this virtual environment together is using communicate over this LAN, okay, local area network. We will share through this local area network to share the same virtual environments. Here are the model of the server mediated communication, where we have a server here that the role of the server is will serve as the computer system which is used at the central repository of data and the various programs that are shared by users in a network. A single server can serve multiple client. Okay, as you can see from this figure, we have client 1, client 2 and so on, more client here. Okay, there are more client here, so this means that one server can serve multiple client. This is the server mediated communication model that can allow more client to be connected or network through the local area network. Okay, we have the server 1, server 2 and server 3 here. All are interconnect through the local area network, and it's allow more client to share this or to use more server here. Okay, if you would like to have your virtual environment to be shared with more client, so here are the setup or model that you should choose. Okay, you have 3 server here with that allow more client to use this server. This is the peer-to-peer communication model, as you can see from this figure. And this type of communication is allow more client to be networked over local area network, and is either can be used as a broadcast or multicast. And by using this peer-to-peer communication, it can reduce the network traffics. But please bear in mind that by using this peer-to-peer communication is more vulnerable to the virus and does not work well over wide area networks. This is the example of the hybrid network. We can call this as a hybrid network, where it's using the multiple server communicating through the multicast, and is also allow for the deployment over the wide area network, but there is no broadcasting is allowed in this hybrid network. It can consider as a hybrid because there are a combination of LAN here, local area network, and also the use of wide area network as well. Okay, that's why we call this as a hybrid, because it's a type of the combinations. You can go to this tooling provided here to see the example of the distributed virtual environments. One is about the distributed virtual environment on dancing, and one more is that on the distributed virtual environment on the cyber tennis. You can try to look into these toolings to see this example. That's all for this topic. I hope you guys can understand on the contents presented in this slide for this chapter. If you have any question, you can ask me directly or post in the forums that I provided in the column. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.